The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Divisions proudly presents The Sounds of the Game, where all Boilermaker fans can relive the exciting sounds of the game.
Halls down with the ball. Goes right, goes left. Backs in on Lewis Jackson. Steal in the open court. Lawson dumps at the other end. Into the corner, Rob Hummel. Then dribbles back out to the right side. Whips a pass over there on the left to Jackson. Now to Smith. Shoots a three. Good! Now Purdue in the half court, trailing by 10. 15:54 to go. Smith, an NBA three. Good! Smith from way outside. Here's Jerome Johnson out to Barlow. Barlow with it. In the lane. Drives and dunks! And he was fouled. Bird with the ball. Drives to the corner. Gives it off now to Barlow. Hummel to Jackson. To Bird. Long three. Got it again! And Bird is hooked!
The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Division is a proud partner of the Purdue Boilermakers and want to put the brakes on distracted driving.